After installing the WorldPenScan Go app, go to the System Settings and find the settings of the WorldPenScan Go app. Tap Keyboard on the right, then enable the WorldPenScan Go as well as the Allow Full Access item, then the WorldPenScan Go input method is successfully enabled. You can open the app and start to scan. Open the app to be input, and set the scanner pen into the connect mode, then switch the iOS input method to the WorldPenScan Go. When the app prompts that they are connected, you can select the language to scan and start scanning. The scan results will appear directly where you want to enter. Through the settings icon in the lower right corner, you can change the function of the A and B keys of the pen body, and you can also enable the Speak After Scanning function to listen.